Greetings and welcome to an exquisite journey into the world of natural beauty. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of do-it-yourself natural face masks. These homemade wonders are the secret to achieving that elusive, glowing skin without the hefty price tag or chemical overload. First, let's shine a spotlight on the heroes of our story today: honey, yogurt, and turmeric. Each one of these ingredients is a powerhouse of goodness that your skin will thank you for. Honey, the sweet nectar of nature, is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also for your skin. Rich in antioxidants, it slows down the process of aging. It is a natural humectant, meaning it retains moisture in the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. Honey's antibacterial properties also help in the fight against acne. Next up, we have yogurt. This creamy delight is loaded with lactic acid, a natural exfoliant that helps shed dead skin cells, revealing brighter, rejuvenated skin beneath. The probiotics present in yogurt balance the skin's natural flora, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. Finally, we have turmeric, the golden spice of life. This potent ingredient is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric reduces redness, calms irritation, and gives the skin a natural glow. Plus, it's a natural antiseptic that helps keep skin infections at bay. Now imagine the magic that happens when these three ingredients come together. The honey moisturizes, the yogurt exfoliates, and the turmeric soothes and brightens. It's a symphony of natural beauty, and your skin is the canvas. To create this mask, mix 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and a teaspoon of turmeric in a bowl until they form a smooth paste. Apply this paste to clean, dry skin and let it work its magic for about 15 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Remember, consistency is key. Use this mask twice a week for optimal results. Also, feel free to customize this recipe based on your skin's needs. If your skin is dry, add a little more honey. If it's oily, increase the quantity of yogurt. Finally, behold the results on our simulated skin. Notice the radiant glow, the smooth texture, and the reduced redness. It's a testament to the power of nature and a clear indication of what this mask can do for your skin. So go ahead, give your skin the love it deserves. Try this DIY natural face mask and experience the magic firsthand. And remember, the journey to glowing skin doesn't stop here. Subscribe and stay tuned for more natural beauty tips. Enjoy the glow.